You guys, on the paleo diet, protein prep is simple. It's carbs that get a little tricky. So come right back, it's gonna be nice. Up next is my cauliflower fried rice. Keep it paleo. Pretty much all things Asian, I like to start with ginger. So I've got a small knob of ginger and a spoon, and then I'll mince this up. I usually will just cut a flat side, cut down through here, cut across here, just like on an onion. I'll get this guy. And then I've got a 14-inch non-stick skillet. If you have a wok, a cast iron skillet, whatever you want to use, I'm gonna add some olive oil to that and my ginger. And then I've got 4 cloves of garlic. Run the knife through that a couple times. And that'll go in with the ginger. Now what we're looking for is that garlic toasts up. The aroma right now is just amazing. As soon as you start cooking this in the house, people are gonna come running. All right, next I'll add the densest veg that we have here, which is gonna be our carrots. And I'll add celery also at this time. Okay, we're gonna let that cook while we tend to our cauliflower. Now you can use a box grater for this. You can just use the blade in your food processor. I like to use the grater. Cut it into pieces that are gonna fit in the feed tube here. There. And we'll just turn it on. Boom, just like that. And I fit 2 heads in 1 bowl. We kind of compressed it in there, but it'll work. And here we go. Now we'll fold the veggies into the cauliflower, something like that, and then we'll go in on top with our peppers, onions, and cabbage. The rice is coming along nicely, guys. At this point, I'm gonna add 2 ounces of tamari. That'll kind of be our only salt addition. We'll fold that in, we'll give it a little bit of color. Now we're just gonna cook this down until the carrots are right where we want them. They'll kind of be the litmus test there. So a garnish, when you think Asian green garnish, what do you think? Scallions, right? So I'm gonna cut these up. We'll do a little Asian bias cut as sharp as possible. And that's kind of the quintessential Asian bias cut right there. So we're ready to finish this off. The final step is the egg. I'm gonna push our rice to the side and kind of open up a little area to cook the egg, just like that. With a little more oil, and then we'll crack the egg. And all I'll do is just use my paddle here and kind of stir that up. Give that a little salt and pepper. So we'll cook that egg up till it's nice and dry, then we'll fold it into the rice. I'm gonna cut the heat at this point, and there we go. Now we'll plate. Check this out. We're gonna serve this family style. And we'll top that with our ABC Asian bias cut, baby. All right, guys, there we have it. It's our cauliflower fried rice, a great carb option on the paleo diet. Now, if you're looking for a protein of the Asian persuasion, stick around because on Thursday, I'll show you my beef with broccoli. Between now and then, you're probably gonna eat 15 to 20 meals. Each of those is an opportunity for you to keep it paleo.